What is your name and how old are you?
My name is Synindel and I'm 20 years old.
Okay, the first question is, if a man wanted to date you, would you prefer him to make his intentions clear right away or slowly build a connection over time?
I think for me, as someone who values to build connection over time, and I think it would be better if the man actually just tells me right away his intentions instead of me assuming what he wants. So I think I'd prefer the former instead of the latter
Okay.
because I think connections can be built anytime with the right person.
What's the fastest way for a man to lose his chance with you?
I think if they show no interest in what I'm saying or what I'm doing, and by being with them, by spending time with me, and they're not paying attention, I think that's one way of me saying, oh, I don't like this man. I don't want to be him. So, guys, paying attention is a real deal breaker in the relationship.
So you would feel that he is not interested.
Yeah, because if a person does not listen to you while you are talking, and if he does something else rather than listening to you, I think it's disrespect, and it's a no no for me.
If a man messages you every day, is that sweet or too much?
I think if there is a boundary, and I think if he does it in a way that I would want him to, I think it would be it would be okay with me. But if I already told him no, or if I've already said these are the things that I don't want you to do, and he still does it, I think it would be too much. It would be creepy na.
Are you someone who wants to say, like, for example, if someone is courting you, are you someone who would say you should do this, do that, and not do this?
I think it's already a bare minimum for them to know what's wrong and what's right. So if you are going to enter a relationship, you should already know that there are pros and cons in entering. So you'd already you should realize that if you enter a relationship, there are things that uh, your partner would do and wouldn't do, and it's up to them actually uh, to to see if they'd want to give you respect or not.
Okay. What makes you think, wow, this guy is different from everyone else?
I think one thing that makes me realize a person is different from other person is when they are presented with a problem. So a normal person would have panicked already. So which leads them to do impulsive things. But when a person thinks and when they are patient, they would come up with a better solution to handle the problem, in which then makes me impressed. Sorry. Yeah.
If two men liked you, what would make you choose one over the other?
I think for me, since this is quite hard, but I think I would I would choose someone who prioritizes me, and who would care enough to listen, and also who knows respect and his boundaries. So it's respect begets respect, right?
I love that one. Okay, last question. What advice would you give a man who wants to win the heart of a Filipina?
I think one advice I could give you guys is that being present with the person that you are with, and love them unconditionally without any restrictions or without any requirements. So I just hope that you'd find someone who would accept you as being you.
You're working or you're a student?
As still a student,
What are you studying?
I'm studying nursing.
I thought you're studying law because of your. Okay, so you're studying to become a nurse, nursing. Okay. What year are you now? Graduating?
And second year.
What is your name and how old are you?
I'm Annie and I'm 22 years old.
Annie, if a man wanted to date you, would you prefer him to make his intentions clear right away or slowly build a connection over time?
For me as a Filipino, we have this tradition that we we first slowly build connection with them. We slowly try to connect with them to know them more before we start something with them like that. So that's what I will do.
That's you prefer as well. Build a connection first. Okay. What's the fastest way for a man to lose his chance with you?
I think um it's his intention. His consistency with what 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 is interest with me like that.
No. The question be is, what's the fastest way for a man to lose his chance with you?
Oh, I'm sorry. I think if he shows something that I don't like his attitude like that would be something that will I think will lose my interest with him.
Okay. Attitude like?
Like I don't have a specific, but if I see something that don't match with what I prefer, I think that will lose my intention to him like that.
Okay.
No specific, but I think I will if I will see it, I guess it will.
Does it ever happen to you before?
Yes.
Okay, so now
From my experience, I think, but I cannot clearly say it.
it's okay. You can just maybe explain or give us a description of what is it, so our viewers have an idea.
Well, based from my experience, I think this I met someone and he that one thing that he did that make me lose my interest to him is the he makes secrets. He don't totally like if he did something na that is not really have to be a secret to me, but he don't say it to me.
So he's keeping secrets from you. He wasn't totally honest with you.
The honesty, I think. Yes.
If a man messages you every day, is that sweet or too much?
For me, as someone not who is not really like sweet or with more update more on like to update with someone, it is not sweet for me, I think.
It is not sweet.
Yeah.
Okay.
As someone that is not really don't want attention, so much attention like that.
You mean you don't want too much attention?
Yes. Just a simple update and I'm good with that.
Okay.
No message every time like that. Just a simple message update about how he's doing. That's okay with me.
Well, everyone is different. Some Filipina might want to have like messages every day, like in the morning, like everything he does. People, some women like that, but you different, right? Simple updates, it's enough.
Yes.
What makes you think, wow, this guy is different from everyone else?
I think I saw something in him that I didn't saw from others. Like the things that I didn't expect that I will feel
Like?
from him. Like I I am not a fan of surprises, but somehow I wanted to be surprised. And if he did it to me, I will say, wow, he is different from others like that. Well, although it is just a simple surprise, but for me as someone who isn't didn't much have didn't experience much have surprises, well, it's different for me. Yeah.
So you feel loved and kind of like how do you say, like you feel important. Yeah. Okay.
Good like that.
Okay. If two men liked you, what would make you choose one over the other?
I think it's how they show their interest to me, how they show consistency, who is more show more consistency than the other, like that. How they show or value me as someone who is pursuing me, like that.
Consistency. Someone who gives you consistency. Mm-hmm. Okay. What advice would you give a man who wants to win the heart of a Filipina?
I think of the one of the thing that they should consider or do to win a Filipina's heart is being consistent and honest, because we Filipinos, we want someone who is honest and consistent, and also have clear intentions to us, not just someone who is there and can easily get us. So we want consistency and honesty. That's how Filipina is.
Okay. Well, you are 22, right? But still studying?
Um, we are graduating
Graduating what course?
accounting information system.
Are you in a relationship? Like, do you have a boyfriend or single?
Single.
How long have you been single?
22 years.
No boyfriend since birth. Why is that?
I think it's my choice.
Okay.
I prefer like being like not that I'm being alone. I just enjoy being alone right now. But I am willing to have or commit to relationship with other if I had seen those things I have said earlier of how they will win me. That would be.
Okay. But there's like men tried to like court you or show you like, oh, I'm interested with you.
There are some, I but right now I prefer to enjoy myself, to self love, to love myself more.
She's actually with Marinelle. We interviewed Marinelle for a few times, so she doesn't want to be with with us this time. Okay, Marinelle, be, want to say hi? She's here with us. Say hi, be.
Hi.
Okay. So they're friends, BFF.
Yes, we're best friends since high school. Yeah.
Wow, how long is that?
6 years, I guess.
Eight?
I know. 10 years, I guess.
10 years.
Wow. She's no boyfriend since birth. Why is that? You as a friend, so I think you know a lot more, you know.
I think by choice also. Yeah, she knows me. Yes. Like each other.
You still single?
Unfortunately, I found my Rachel.
Ah, congratulations! Happy for you. But anyway, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Beth. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hi, everyone. Hopefully, we have earned your subscription. And also, if you want extra videos, please consider becoming a YouTube member where members have access to over 100 exclusive videos. Thank you for watching and take care, everyone. Bye-bye.